Hello, this is Ferris Khan, and thank you for liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel that is focused on the Bronco and other Ford vehicles. Today, I want to talk about accessories, and we're going to start with the seat covers. And what we're looking at here, there's several different types of seat covers, but what we're looking at here is the four-door and two-door seat covers that are available in the Ford store. So accessories.ford.com. The four-door version says that they are neoprene front seat covers for $259. The two-door version, it says Covercraft Carhartt front protective seat covers in pebble gray. So I'm just going to click on one of these, get a little bit more information. And this is what they look like. It appears as if it's a cover that has, it's sort of like a vest. You can still see the sides of the seat. All right, let's get out of this cookie setting thing. And let's see the other version. If we're looking at the four-door Cover King seat covers. All right. And what we're looking at there, same thing. It looks like it doesn't cover the side of the seats, just the front. All right. Now, I went to Costco and I actually purchased these seat covers. And this is the Type S wetsuit seat covers with antibacterial technology. These were generic. You can see the rating isn't super high, 3.8 on a 5-point scale. The price that you see here, $29.99, I actually paid half of that amount. So they were running some sort of discount on this at my local Costco. So the price for me was $15. I am going to now go ahead and show you what it was like to install these and what I think of the fit and finish. And do I give it the thumbs up or thumbs down with respect to working with my two-door Bronco? All right, today in my Bronco channel, it is unseasonably warm, mid-October day. I think it's in the 70s. I'm outside. I tried washing my Bronco, but it has lots of spots. I'm gonna have to get some soap in there. But I went to Costco and I got these wetsuit seat covers. And I will explain exactly how much it cost. It was, I think, around the $15 range for two of them. And I'm gonna go ahead and install it now. I had some really cheap covers before, which I thought were cheap, for $9 each, but I'm getting both of these for even less than that. It does have kind of a wetsuit feel material to it. So I'm going to put these on and let you know how it goes. So basically these have like a little hole collar on them, and it's super important that you know the right side. This says driver's side only. The other side is for the passenger side. That is for the airbags to properly inflate, the airbags that are embedded within the driver's seat. Now, when I do this, it is going to cover this little latch, which allows the seat to go forward, but that's okay. I'll show you how it is afterwards. All right, so I got it in. The latch is right here, so it still works. You just have to know that it's there. Not a perfect fit, but we'll see as I kind of get the rest of this going. Down here underneath, there's this little foam cylinder. You've got to kind of jam that into the seat, into that seam there. So I'll go ahead and do that. All right, I did do that, but what ended up happening is that these straps, you've got to make sure these straps are outside, not behind the seat. It got kind of tight there. Actually, it's a really good fit once once you do that. Up here, it's a little bit folded, but the rest of this seems like a decent fit. Let's get the rest of this on now. Just gonna put the bottom part on. All right, I'm showing you the strap that I did, the Velcro that's just in the back here. Doesn't look super elegant, I would say, but it works. And not too many people are gonna be sitting in the back seat. And of course, you can just take this cover off if you've got a gala event that you need to go to and you don't wanna show your $7.50 seat cover. All right, once you've got the rest of this put in, the last step is actually to put in the little sock, I'll call it, to put on top of the headrest. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Because this is a one size fits all, it's not gonna fit perfectly there. You know, you can see this is sort of hanging above or below. The strap is hanging. Not sure if I'll be able to exactly use every piece of the strap. The side airbag thing is definitely here working, so that's good. The fit up here, okay, it seems a little bit too far back. If I could slightly pull it forward, that would help, but it's all right. The top that's over here is nice, but it might be nicer with it off. I'm just gonna take it off. So if you don't really care about the headrest, you can still have your regular headrest above it. Sort of before and after. This is the 2 for $15. I'll double check the price. And this is the previous version that I had. That was I put it in the passenger seat, but really it's designed for the driver's seat. That's so you can kind of see them side by side. From a distance, it almost looks like this is the OEM seat, but once you get closer, you see this is sort of puffed up. This material's puffed up. I think if I use it a few times, it'll kind of settle, so that should be fine. One other thing I'll say is there's an odor to it, so I'm just gonna leave my windows open when I park it in the garage. And but it does look way nicer than the previous version, which I put all the way on top of the headrest. It just doesn't look nearly as nice. So I will give this the thumbs up. I like this product, and it's not hundreds of dollars, it's 15. So there you have it. I do give it the thumbs up despite the 3.8 rating that you see here. And optional for the headrest piece. It didn't fit perfectly. I may keep it on, might keep it off, not sure. But the one thing I will investigate, would like you to investigate as well, is just, I'm thinking of maybe cutting the sides a little bit, just so that there is no doubt that airbag is going to deploy. Because when I see the Ford accessories, I see that side is more like a vest. And that makes me wonder if, for something that I'm buying, that is, for me, was $15, but it could be $30, somewhere in there, in that price range. Relatively low price product. I just want to make sure that if those airbags do deploy, that they deploy properly. So look into that. Thank you, and see you next time.